Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and today's topic is rhythm change with walking bass, rhythm guitar or rhythm guitar with walking bass. Yeah, basically that's how it sounds more or less. Here we have a drummer, the Japan guy. We call it in Switzerland the Japan guy because it's a drum machine. 2, 3, 1, 2. That's how it sounds. I just jumped in the B section. Do not make it too long. And now we are at the beginning again. And as you already saw, it's with finger picking, and rhythm change is a very common music form in jazz. We have blues, we have rhythm change, and these two forms are really common. Also in popular music in the swing era, a lot of stuff was rhythm change, like popular song Flintstones is rhythm change, and this is a form which is always the same, rhythm change. We have an A section with 1, 7, 6, 2, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5. That's a typical form in jazz. Half bar changes twice, 8 times, and then the B section we have D7, and it's basically most of the times in B flat because the saxophone players could play really fast, and this is for everybody here, so we keep it the tempo cool and slow. So the B section is D7 2 bars, G7 2 bars, C7 2 bars, and F7 2 bars, and we are playing chords with walking bass, so this works in any situation with a singer, with another guitar player, where you take both parts. You should not use it in a band situation because you might interfere with the bass player, because you are making the bass yourself. So let's check it out. To understand walking bass is a very simple thing. The walking bass starts on the root note of the chord and moves chromatic or diatonic to the next root note of the next chord. In this case, we move from B flat to G. So 1, 2, then from G it moves to C, 4, and then from C, 1, 2, 3, 4. So C to F, back to B flat. So the bass is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what the bass is doing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple. And now the tricky part comes to add the chords. So first chord is a B flat major 7 here, 6, 7, 7, 6, to G7 sharp 5, to C minor here, 3, 3, 4, 4, to C minor 7, 3, 1, 3, 4. That one is a bit hard, but it's a very common chord. C7 to F13. 1, 1, 2, 3. So now we make the bass. So we play the chord 1, first the thumb 1, and then short the upper part of the chord 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's how it basically works. You can also add more chords in between, like 1 and 2, 3, 4. Oh no, that comes in the second part. We check that out after. So that was the A section. The A section is played 4 times. Then one A section is over. can make a stop on F7 to know 1A section is over. Then you play it second time A section. Then we move to the B section. B section we have, as I said before, D7, 2 bars. We choose D9. So 5th, 4th, 5, 5. D9 to G7. We choose a short one. This one. 3, 3, 4. See. C9, same as D9. To F7, same as G7. So, but now we have 2 bars, so we make the walking bells not always the same, otherwise it gets boring. First time we make this 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going from D back to D. 1, 2. And with this fingering, because we also need to add the chord. 1, 2, 3. And here we slide up with the middle finger because then we're ready for the chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3rd fret, 2, 7, 5th fret to G7. And now comes the cool part. And now we add this chord, the figure here. We move up instead of with the bass with chords. So G7 to whatever this is. I would rather call it a whatever, it just sounds cool. 5th fret, 4th fret on the D string, 5th fret on the G string, and just slide up. Here we slide up. See? And second time we move up to C. And we can play that twice if you want. Yeah, let's play it twice. Then the D, the C is same as the D. And the F is same as G. And then comes another A part, 4 times what I showed before, and then 1 chorus is over. And that's called rhythm change. So let's play the whole thing in 1 row with the Japan drummer. Sorry, I'm nothing against you guys from Japan, but this is how we call it in Switzerland, because most of the drum computers were manufactured in Japan. That's why we call it that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second A part. B. Last A part. Now 1 chorus is over. Now, since rhythm change is played fast, let's play it on. Try it on. That was tempo 120, so you start slow and try to put up speed. I'm gonna try 200, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it because it's gonna be really fast. Yeah, guys, that was pretty fast. Holy moly. But start slow and put up speed. And if it's too fast, you just play the bass notes. That's still cool, because on that speed you hardly have time to still grab the upper part of the chord. Yeah, so that was about rhythm changes, playing with walking bass and chords, really cool. If you like this lesson, or you've liked all my lessons, please write me a review on Google Maps. Just search for HPCrazy and you find my HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please write me a review there. I really would love to see your review there as well. If you want to download the backing track and the tabs, there are the HPCrazy Students Club. Link is in the description box, and it also would be cool if you follow me on Facebook or on Spotify or on Google. I'm also on Google. Search for HPCrazy with your mobile device and you find me there. And you can follow me there. Whatever. Yeah. So that was it from you, Dr. Pink. We were pretty jazzy today, but it was cool. So keep it going and see you guys.